Hi there, this is Mrs. Michelson again, and today we're going to be learning a new song. It's called It's Raining, and the first thing that you need to know about our new song is that there's a new note, an E. Every good burger deserves fries, and it has 5 of the tone holes covered. Now, it's exciting because it's the first time we actually get to use our right hand. We have our left hand on top with 3 for G, and we're going to take our right hand and we're going to put it right here over the next 2 tone holes. And it's a lower note, so we want to actually blow kind of softly. So every time you see that E on the first line, you're going to play with 3 and 2 and then your thumb. The other new thing is that we're playing 8th notes for the first time. They are called TTs, it's what we've normally called them, or you can count them 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But we've usually just called them TTs up until now. And this is what they look like in music. What you need to know is that they go faster than the quarter note. Let's look at this measure right here. We know the rhythm. Ta, 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 T, T. You hear how they go a little faster? I'm going to do this measure, and this measure's rhythm. Ta, 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 T, 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 ta, ta, T, T, ta, ta. So do you hear, hopefully you hear how the 8th notes fit in relationship to the rest of the notes in rhythm. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to sing and finger. I'm not sure what kind of music you're looking at, but we're going to sing and finger the first 2 measures that goes, it's raining, it's pouring. And we're going to sing and finger through it first. So I'm going to move back so you can see my fingers. So it goes 1, 2, ready, go. G, G, E, A, G, E, E. Let's play that first, those first 2 measures. It's raining, it's pouring, the. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. Now, we're going to sing and finger the next 2 measures. The next 2 measures. The old man is snoring. So we're going to start right here on old man is snoring. Sing and finger that much. Old, so it's G, E, A, G, E. Let's play those 2 measures. Old man is snoring. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Very good. Now, on some of your music, the first line might be the whole. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. So we're going to sing and finger from here, clear to here. But it's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. We're going to sing and finger it, and then we'll play it. Singing and fingering first. 1, 2, 3. G, G, E, A, G, E, E, G, E, A, G, E. Let's give that a try. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now we're going to do the tricky part of the song. The part of the song that goes, went to bed and he bumped his head and he couldn't get up in the morning. Let's look at this first measure. It goes faster. It goes ta, 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 T, T, ta, 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 T, 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 ta, ta, T, T, ta, ta. The eighth notes are really what go faster there. Let's sing and finger just this measure and just this measure. So the words on it are singing, fingering through went to bed, and he bumped his head, and he. Let's sing and finger through that much. G, G, E, E, A, G, G, E, E, A. Let's sing and finger through that one more time. G, G, E, E, A, G, G, E, E, A. Now, let's play that little bit. Went to bed and bumped his head, and he. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. Now, let's go all the way back to the beginning and play from here all the way to here. So we're going to play, it's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, went to bed and he bumped his head, and he. 1, 2, 3. Now, the last part of the song is couldn't get up in the morning. And it's right here. G, 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 E, E, A, G, E. We're going to sing and finger couldn't get up in the morning. G, 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 E, E, A, G, E. Again, fingering and singing. G, 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 E, E, A, G, E. Now we're going to play that. Good. Now, let's sing and finger our way through the whole song, and then we'll play our way through the whole song. Here we go. Sing and finger through the whole song. 1, 2, 3. G, G, E, A, G, E, E, G, E, A, G, E. Went to bed now. Went, G, E, E, A, G, G, E, E, A, G, 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 E, E, A, G, E. Now let's try to play it. 1, 2, 3. Good. If you're having problems with the eighth notes, just practice going E, A, G. Until you can really get your fingers to feel that change. I hope this helps. I hope this helps you get a good start at your practice. You may need to go through and practice a little slower on your own, which is completely fine. And when you're ready, I will have a play along for you to play with a few times.